Julius Jackson, and you're tuning in to FYI in action.
This episode of FYI in Action is brought to you by Revolutionary Supplements. My mind, my body, my community. Rev Subs, level up.
I fell in love at an early age with the results of food, kind of what kind of incycles food. So there's a few things that incycle food. One is artistry, right? It's a creation. You kind of put your feelings and yourself into the food. I fell in love with that. Two, it's a necessity. That's part of me. I love helping provide something for people. That I love doing that. And we all need the food. And then two is enjoyment. It brings a smile on people's face. It brings a type of mood and environment where people want to sit and talk, get together. Food usually encircles that. So I fell in love with that at a young age, and that's what created the passion, I think, in food. One of the most important things is to have a good team. A lot of people think that look from the outside looking in, like, wow, how do you get this dude? How do you go reach this level and do that and do this? Anybody you saying that to yourself about in your head, they have a team. That's the only way to make it to that level. I have a good team, whether it's on the boxing side, the cooking side, at home. I have a great team. So see my right hand again, Jacinto. I couldn't do half of my private gigs without him. He curated this menu we're doing tonight. He curated it. He does things like that, and I couldn't do other things without having him on my squad. So it's super duper important. Pick your team. Smart. Be smart when you're picking your team, man. Having a proper mindset in each space is important. In order to perform well, You can show up somewhere. That's the first step, but then being in the right space of mind to perform well is the next step. And so sometimes I just need to take a little break in between, from the kitchen to the gym and then to the job, to the private dinner, take a little break in between. Even I just sit down and just focus a little bit and then switch the gears. But yeah, it's very important. I've learned to do it over the years. That's one thing is you gotta take your time, kind of learn what helps. Like music helps me with that too. I want to type a song and it gets me in the type of mind frame. So just knowing yourself and you could learn to adjust, right? I want him to feel class, feel high quality. Someone who's passionate about their craft. I want them to feel that along with the brand. They see it, they feel it. We aim for the top. We aim for quality. We aim for the best, and that's what I want them to hear when they hear Team Chef. People sometimes I want to hope people not go, but all days, up from 6 a.m. at the bakery, go to the gym, then do a job at night, vice versa, whatever, switch all up. Secret weapon like that. Rev Subs, level up.